So I will be discussing units and dimensions. So we have two things here. One is fundamental quantities. Another one is derived quantities. So like our fundamental quantities are mass, length, time. Actually these are independent of other quantities. Like mass is an independent quantity. Similarly length is also an independent quantity and time is also an independent quantity. And all these three are called physical quantities. Like length, mass, and time. They are called physical quantities. So, what is derived quantity? So, like area, velocity, force. These are these are also physical quantities. Like here, these are physical quantities. These are also physical quantities. But the thing is here, area. Is derived from means like suppose the area of a square. It's square of length L. Then area will be L square. So what is this? Area is derived from this length physical quantity. Area, which is a derived quantity, it is derived from this length physical quantity. Like this velocity or force. These are all derived from these quantities, these fundamental quantities. So fundamental quantities are independent quantities, like whereas derived quantities are derived from these fundamental quantities. So you must be clear, like fundamental quantities are independent quantities like mass, length, and time. These are independent quantities. Like these are independent quantities. And these derived quantities are derived from these fundamental quantities. Like area, it is derived from this length fundamental quantity. Similarly velocity also you can say, like velocity is meter per second square. It's the unit of this velocity. So like for meter it's length, and for second it's time. So these are derived. It's a derived quantity. Okay.